Good morning, welcome to your Friday, August 18th daily operations weather briefing. Currently across the region, we do have a warm front well north of the area with a weak surface trough moving over the Appalachians and into central Virginia, which will be the focusing point for some scattered convective activity out ahead of a cold front that'll be approaching the region later this evening and moving through during the overnight hours, producing a better chance for showers and thunderstorms with the potential for heavy rain as well. Possibly could even see some severe thunderstorms later this evening into the early overnight hours. As we zoom in over the local area, temperatures have warmed up into the upper 70s to around 80 degrees. A very humid start to this morning with temperatures, dew point temperatures in the upper 70s. We are starting to see some convective activity forming along those thunderstorms, along that surface trough moving over central Virginia. Right now, it looks like we should avoid that convective activity until after 2 o'clock this afternoon, but current trends right before this briefing are starting to show a little bit more of a change, so may have to make some adjustments come the 10 a.m. briefing, so you'll have to stay tuned for that. So currently, as of 8 a.m., we have a few at 600 feet, broken at 1,000, broken at 8,500, and broken at 25,000. We have a southerly wind at 11 knots with a temperature of 79 degrees. Our next 24 hours, again, looking decent for the next 4 hours here, with winds increasing out of the south, 10 to 15 knots, gusting to 18, and then winds will be picking up out of the southwest at 11 to 16 knots, gusting to 22. Temperatures rising into the upper 80s, and with those dew points hovering in the upper 70s and with the potential for getting up to a high temperature of 88 degrees today, we could see heat indices hovering right around 100 degrees today, so we do have a chance that we will be breaking that 100 degree mark for the heat index during the early afternoon hours. We do have a slight chance of a shower or thunderstorm after 2 o'clock, 15% chance of thunderstorms, and then those chances will increase after 4 o'clock or 5 o'clock, to 30%, then becoming 60% after the 10 o'clock hour as that front is beginning to move through the region. If we do get any sort of when we do get these thunderstorms that move through the area, those storms will likely contain heavy rain as well, as we are in a very moisture-rich environment. So heavy rain is certainly a possibility as well as we go through the next several hours, through the later portion of this evening into the overnight hours. As we'll see it, as far as the temperatures are concerned, they'll be hovering in the around 80 degrees to the upper 70s. So it's going to be a fairly muggy night tonight as well. And then as that cold front moves through, they should drop down into the mid 70s, but still fairly unseasonably warm for this time of year. And shower and thunderstorm chances should pretty much diminish after 2 o'clock, Saturday night, Friday night into Saturday morning. And just a slight chance of a lingering shower prior to the 6 a.m. time frame tomorrow morning. The next several days, as we look into Saturday, we'll have clearing skies, eventually becoming mostly sunny, unseasonably warm and humid, with a slight chance of an isolated shower or thunderstorm with a high of 89 degrees. Saturday night, mostly clear, unseasonably warm and muggy with a low of 73 degrees. And then for Sunday, mostly sunny with similar conditions as Saturday, with unseasonably warm and humid conditions. We'll have a high of 87 degrees. Well, that'll conclude the Daily Ops weather briefing for this morning. We'll be back again with you at 10 a.m. for an extended outlook. Have a great day.